And the vinegar goes in here. Something's wrong. Fridges don't have faces or arms. Maybe I should see if that vinegar's doing okay. Guy behind door, please help me.
What's wrong, friend?
There is a ghost possessing my fridge.
Get someone else to do it. I'm busy.
Okay, sorry.
So then I said to Mushmallow, an orangutan is a type of bird, and she believed me.
Wow, that was so funny, I forgot to laugh.
I swear you sound more insane every time I see you.
Mochi, Yimmothy, there's a ghost possessing our fridge. Did you say a goblin?
No, he said ghost. They're completely different things. What do you mean ghost?
Well, the fridge is orange, small, and has a face, and it screamed at me with its screams. This looks like a job for the Fridgebusters.
Yimmothy, they're called Ghostbusters.
Mochi, we don't have the rights for that word. Come on, Pickle, to the fridge.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Oh, hi, Mochi.
Hey, Scribble. Wait.
What?
Oh, cool. Your voice is weird too. Okay.
Is that it, Pickle?
Yeah, it's the ghost.
Maybe this isn't so bad, Pickle. Maybe we can have a new friend in the form of an orange fridge.
But Yimmothy, it stole our food and the vinegar.
What?
It's like every now and then people's voices just change. Pickles became later, Scribbles became something, and I don't know what's gonna happen to the rest of us.
Well, maybe it's a common thing. Maybe we just all have to go through this voice change once in our lives.
Well, then Pickle went through it twice. 2 years ago, he sounded like a baby. We all sounded like babies.
Well, whatever it is, we're just gonna have to deal with it. It's the new normal.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Want to, make some tea or something? I think you're really good at that.
Aw, thank you. Yeah, come on, let's go.
Pickle! Dial Javier so he can get rid of this thing.
Okay, what's his number?
Get ready. It's a long one.
Ready.
Okay. 2.
Okay.
What are you waiting for? Call!
Oh, that's it? Okay, hello?
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Javier. Now we're free. We're rid of the fridge, Pickle.
But we're out of food now. We don't have anything.
Now, the vinegar!
Oh, he's loud.
I really need a break from this place.
Well, you could always go somewhere else for just a bit.
Yeah, I guess like the other monsters, like the traveling ones.
Yeah, whoever they may be.
I think I'll do that. I'll get ready. I need my tea first. Thank you.
Pickle. No, what is it, Mr. Doorman?
I need you to do me a favor. You like turnip, right?
Yeah, a lot, actually.
As long as Mochi's in the way, you're not going to get turned. So, I need you to sabotage your friend.